2 extra mags, a speed loader, cleaning brush, and your adjustable dealies for the back of the gun there. They just clip on and off. And then of course it has all of your safety stuff and all that stuff inside the case. This is the Glock that I purchased. It's got a copper sort of spray painty look to it. They did some brush strokes, so if it gets a little beat up, it just adds to the effect. Really nice 9mm Glock though, Glock 19. This is a special edition from DAVIDSON'S. So if you're looking for the same exact one, that's where you'd find it. Sights are really nice on it. Okay. And that is my baby!